I don't think I've ever met a pie I didn't like. And there has certainly been times when I've eaten pie for breakfast. But recently, I was thinking about breakfast pie and decided just to make a breakfast pie. Now, all of you critters out there know exactly what I'm talking about when I say breakfast pie. Pie crust, quiche center, lattice bacon on the top. That bacon juice is just going to drip down in there. Oh, it's going to be so good. So I'm going to call this my Christmas morning breakfast pie. And I'm going to share this recipe with you. I'm going to make it on the campfire. And it's going to be great. Well, that was awesome. I think that may be my best recipe ever. Thank you for joining us here today, and thank you for joining us throughout this year. You guys have been amazing. The subscriptions, the likes, the messages, the unbelievable comments, they've just been so great. I really appreciate all of them, wherever you are this year. Merry Christmas. We love you. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you next year. Mwah.